All right, I'm going to go over a few examples to help you in case you're feeling stuck. So for this first one, I don't necessarily have to solve the whole problem on these. If there's a variable left over, then I know that there's going to be at least one, or there's going to be one solution. So like on this one, I know that I want to get all the variables on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 4c. Now I would end up just getting c equals -9. So obviously, because I got one number, that just means one solution. But even if you had an example that looks like the one on the side over here, if I was subtracting 4c and I got 4c equals -16, you could go ahead and keep solving and get c equals something. Or again, I know there's only one solution because there's a c left over. It's when the variable cancels out, that's when I know it'll be no solution or infinitely many solutions. Okay, so let's look at some of those different situations. So for this one, well, first of all, I can see that I have -5c and -5c, so I'm just going to cross those out because I have the same thing on both sides. And I'm left with 3 equals 5. Well, those are not equal, right? So I know from my notes that that means it's no solution because that statement will never be true. So again, you don't have to necessarily do all of Don't Call Me After Midnight if you could just look at it and be able to tell what's going on. All right, so last one. Same idea. I have 8d and 8d. I'm left with -5 equals -5, and that is a true statement, so I know that it's infinitely many solutions. We also talked about in class how if the two sides look the same, it'll be infinite solutions. So like here, I know they're rearranged, but that's the same thing on each side. So automatically I know it's infinitely many solutions.